upstairs to Santa's workshop and show you how it's made.
Here we are in Santa's workshop, checking out how the elves would build this sled ornament. So you need these, you could do it with regular size popsicle sticks, but these are the jumbos. The jumbos, we have a bunch of them here. We bought 1,000 of them. We will not need 1,000 today, but it's nice to have them in case you need them. So we have 4 sticks that make up the base of the sled. Then we're gonna use one that goes over the top for the handle, but that's gonna have to be trimmed down because that's way too big of a handle. So what we do is we kind of get a little measurement here, and you get some snips. These are not the ideal ones that I wanted to use, but these will be fine. And we're gonna just round off, if possible. Oh, I might not be able to use these. This is not what I was intending, but I think I might be able to make it work. Okay, so we have now cut. These are definitely not ideal. These don't allow you to use like a scissor type motion at all. I have these clippers that are actually made for trimming like small branches off of little trees that my dad gave me years ago, and they're in the garage somewhere, but I just couldn't quickly locate them, so we had to use these, which are not ideal. So if you have something that you can use or an adult can use to help you cut these popsicle sticks, that will be helpful. So this one's going to get glued on here. That's going to serve as the handle. Now what you need is you need one more popsicle stick for underneath. This will go underneath. We'll flip the sled over. Actually, we'll probably do these bottom brackets first. Okay. So then what I'm going to want to do is just measure it so it comes out the right length across. Even if it's a little short, that's okay. Just don't want it to be long. Okay, so this will again go on the underneath part of the sled, and I need one more that length. We have our hot glue gun ready. We'll put a strip of glue there, and we'll glue those on, and we'll flip it over. And then we will take and flip it over. And this is where we'll add our handle on, right up here. Okay, and you've got the sled ready to go. We're almost done. We have one more thing to do. So across the bottom of the sled are going to be these runners that the sled slides down the hill with. So we need to have those to be an official sled. You want to pick ones that are straight. And there's a lot of these that are not.
This is like one of the worst ones. I don't know if that's a good one.
Sometimes you get duds out of the box, and that's what a dud looks like. These two are pretty decent. So it's as simple as this. You make a dab of glue here, just a little round dab. Dab of glue here. Place one rudder in position. Hold it straight up and down, and you want it to go the length of the sled, so you want it to kind of line up with these popsicle sticks that are on the outside edge. Take the other side. And you're going to want to hold these runners in position until they dry. Now Madeline and the Landon are going to complete their sleds. I helped Odin with his. All right, so hopefully you can see us all, but a bunch of elves working in the Santa's workshop, and we've created these awesome sleds. He's not Santa, but he works for Santa, right?
Yeah, I'm the
You're not Santa, are you?
I'm the mall Santa.
You're the mall Santa, yes.
I'm not.
Okay, so we've created these awesome sleds. They just need some paint now. You guys ready for paint?
Yeah.
Cool, bring it in. 1, 2, 3, sleds!
Let's see. We do it.
1, 2, 3, sleds!
For the second half of this video, you're going to need
A completed sled.
Paint.
Twine.
or yarn or some Christmas colored ribbons.
Paintbrushes.
While we let this coat of paint dry, maybe let's just think of like which one we like best. Okay? We gotta be careful with the paint and everything.
Always.
It's all on camera so Dad can see.
Always.
Right? It's not working.
When
Okay, so I'm just putting them into piles, okay? Guys, look at Odin. Guys, these are Odin's. Whoa, 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 whoa!
Now we are gonna paint this black, that black.
We all chose to paint this handle black and then also the runners black. Let's paint.
Yeah.
Do it. Cut. I'll pour everyone a little bit of gold. Okay, maybe not everyone. Go. Shoot. Are we ready?
Yeah, but you're right.
We finished paint.
Now we cut.
Ready? POV. No.
Don't want it.
POV when you let go of the sled. POV when you let go of the sled.
What we're gonna wanna do, and I can show an example on Maddie's, is just to make it look really neat and nice. Typically, you would see a rope tied to these handles, okay? And that's what we were going to originally, our plan was to hang that onto the tree. But if I put Maddie on this sled and then I hang it on the tree, she's gonna be upside down. That's silly. We need the ornament to be hanging this way. So we're actually going to glue the twine in behind and have a little loop there. But what I'm going to do to represent that there should be some twine up here is I'm going to wrap twine around here about 3 times. Just put a little dab of glue in the back so you'll have an accent of twine here and another one here. That makes sense, guys?
Yeah.
And then we'll do that loopy piece of twine that will hook onto the tree down here.
Oh yeah.
It's not a bad idea.
Wait, is it mine or mine?
Maybe sometime we could do that. That's lame. Okay, so we're on the final step, which is actually gluing our sledders onto their sleds. Pretty awesome, right, guys?
Yeah.
These are gonna look really cool. Now, obviously, the the sledders do get a little lost on these big sleds. So if we had to do it again, guys, what would we do different next time?
Take the picture closer so it appears bigger.
We would
Yeah.
take the pictures a little closer is exactly what we would do. So, note to self, if we do it again, we're gonna shoot these pictures closer. And if you do it at home, make sure you get that, make sure you're getting good and close to the person making the pose.
Yeah.
All right, we just had the kids lie down on the snow outside, took pictures.
As if we were
5 days.
All right,
Like
and I'll
6
show you some of those so you have reference.
10 days.
Okay, let's get gluing, guys.
Okay.
One, two, three, sleds!
3, 2, 1, sleds!
All right, these awesome Christmas ornaments. They're gonna look so nice on the tree, guys. What a great job you did.
I think they turned out awesome.
Yeah.
They came out super awesome. So there's a few things we could do to improve them if we ever did them again, like taking the photos a little closer.
Yeah.
But at Craft Kids, we don't go for perfection. We go for
fun!
That's right, for fun. So until we see you next time.
Bye!